Hello everyone. In this video we are going to study about periodic properties and its variations in a modern periodic table. So here is the syllabus where we need to study about 6 different properties, its definition and its variation along the groups and along the periods, in which we will study about the atomic size, the metallic character, non-metallic character, ionization potential, electron affinity and electronegativity. And also in the next part, you also need to learn about the periodicity of an element on the basis of its atomic number, at least up to the period 3. To begin with the chapter, first we must understand what is periodic table. The periodic table is the arrangement of the element in the increasing order of the atomic number, such that the elements having the similar physical and chemical properties lies in the same vertical column, which are known as groups. The modern periodic table, it consists of 7 horizontal rows which are known as periods, and there are 18 vertical columns which are known as groups. Each of these 7 periods and 18 groups, they have their own names, as you can see in the figure. Now we know that according to the modern periodic law, each element with the similar properties occurs at a regular interval in a periodic table. Such elements fall in the same vertical column, that is, same group. The reoccurrence of similar properties of elements after certain regular interval when they are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number is known as periodicity. Now comes the question, what causes the periodicity? So let us take an example of group 1 element, which is known as alkali. We see that the electronic configuration of each of the elements that lies in the group 1 has the same number of valence electron. So thus periodicity can be defined as the repetition of similar outer electronic configuration at certain regular intervals. Now to begin with the first property, that is the atomic size, its variation along the group and the period. So let us begin with the definition of the atomic size. The atomic size may be defined as the distance of the nucleus from the outermost cell of an atom. The atomic size or the atomic radius of an element depends upon 2 factors, the first being the number of cells and the second being the nuclear charge. It's clear that with the increase in the number of cells, the atomic size increases, and with the increase in the nuclear charge, the atomic size decreases. This happens because with the increase in the nuclear charge, the electrostatic attraction between the nucleus and the electron increases, which causes the atom to shrink. The atomic size of an atom increases with the atomic number as we move from top to bottom in a period. For example, the atomic radius of the alkali metal from group 1 increases regularly as we move down the group. The reason behind this is because as we move down a group, a new energy cell is added at each succeeding element, though the number of electrons in the outermost cell remains the same. Thus, the atomic size of an element increases as we go down the group. Now coming to the period, the atomic radius or the atomic size decreases with the increase in the atomic number as we move from left to right in a period. This happens because as we move from left to right in a period, the nuclear charge increases by 1 unit in each succeeding element, while the number of cells remains the same. Due to this increased nuclear charge, the electrons of all the cells are pulled closer to the nucleus, thereby bringing the outermost cell closer to the nucleus, which causes the atomic size to decrease across the period.